What's the meaning of Agent Orange? Agent Orange. Agent Orange. Agent Orange. Agent Orange. Agent Orange. Agent Orange was a herbicide used by the U.S. military during the Vietnam War to destroy forests and crops, and to clear enemy hiding spots. The herbicide contained dioxin, a highly toxic chemical that has been linked to severe health issues such as cancer, birth defects, and other chronic diseases. It is estimated that over 4.8 million Vietnamese people were exposed to Agent Orange, resulting in untold suffering and long-term health consequences. Many U.S. soldiers who were also exposed to the herbicide have suffered from similar health issues. And the legacy of Agent Orange continues to impact generations to this day.